What's up, Central Florida and beyond? This is Corey Welch again with Weimer Group Realty. I want to show you another one of our listings that we have here. This one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in the heart of Casselberry. It's a gated community. The address is 1170 Carmel Circle. So this community has a lot to offer in the fact that it's a lifestyle. So we've got racquetball, we've got tennis, we've got swimming pools, fishing docks, docks just to be able to go out and walk around. So I'm going to take you through this home here, kind of show you what it has to offer, turn it around, get my fat forehead out of the way. And so what's great about this unit is it is a downstairs first floor unit. Again, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We're over 1,600 square feet in this. It does have a lot of open living space. We have kind of here, we have our dining room combo into the family room. Just kind of get your orientation set up around here, but we've got kitchen back in that back corner there. We have our guest bedroom, which is just kind of a standard bedroom with fan, crown molding. Guest bathroom located right directly across the hall with the updated tile. And I'm going to spin you around and show you the master. It's located kind of to the front of the unit. It doesn't really translate well here, but we do have vaulted ceilings with the crown. And take you back through the master here. Jacuzzi tub, which is popular. Big tile shower, and then we've got the double sink vanity. The saloon doors are an upgrade. Those come free. But there you go, you got your water closet. So really, the awesome part about this unit, though, is the backyard and view that it has to offer. So you've got these double sliders. As we kind of come down here, it does have a fireplace, which we use about 3 times in Central Florida, but it's always nice to have. But when you look at the view out here, you do have the walking trails directly behind this unit. You can't quite see it. Let me back up so you don't see the screens there. But we do have a creek right behind us, and then there is fishing docks and little areas to picnic. I'll take you up through here. So this unit actually just did a price reduction yesterday. We're excited about that. Priced at $179,000 right now. This community sells pretty quickly. And right over here, we've got the little dining nook area that goes right out to your covered screen lanai. So we do have inside laundry, little utility closet here. But it's nice, it's cozy, it's an awesome unit for somebody that is looking to maybe have a vacation home or something to come down here and enjoy Florida. It's also great for young professionals, anybody who's downsizing. You are located in the heart of Casselberry, probably about 5 minutes from Altamonte, and probably another 15 minutes from UCF and the East Orlando side of things. So it does have covered parking too. Every unit here has 1 covered parking spot and then overflow parking. So again, thank you very much for coming along on the tour with me. I'm going to show you some other great properties as we get into this next week of what we have listed all around Central Florida. If there's anything I can do for you, if you have any questions or any interest, please give me a call at 407-462-9915. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.